Hello friends! Today I want to share with you some interesting information about how you can earn money by listening to music. Yes, you heard right, it is possible. I have prepared for you a list of 10 sites where you can earn money just by listening to your favorite songs. The first site is Swagbucks. This site pays you for listening to radio stations, audiobooks and music. The average rate is 2 cents per song. You can withdraw money through PayPal. The second site, MusicXray, is a platform that allows musicians to showcase their tracks and get feedback from listeners. They also pay for listening to music, with an average rate of 10 cents per song. Money can be withdrawn via PayPal. The third site, RadioLoyalty. This site allows you to listen to the radio and earn money for every 10 minutes of listening. The average rate is 10 cents per 10 minutes. Money can be withdrawn via PayPal. The fourth site, HitPredictor, is a service that offers you to rate songs and pays money for it. The average rate is 5 cents per song evaluation. You can withdraw the money through PayPal. The fifth site, SliceThePie, is a platform where you can earn money by rating new songs, albums and artists. The average rate is 5 cents per evaluation. You can withdraw money through PayPal. The sixth site, Music Research, is a site that pays you for listening to new songs. The average rate is 10 cents per song. You can withdraw the money through PayPal. Seventh site, RadioEarn. This site allows you to listen to radio stations and earn money for every 10 minutes of listening. The average rate is 5 cents per 10 minutes. Eighth site, Earnably, is a platform that allows you to earn money for completing tasks, including listening to music. The average rate per song is 2 cents. You can withdraw money via PayPal, Bitcoin, and other methods. The ninth site, Musicoin, is a blockchain platform that allows musicians to earn income for their creative works and also pays for listening to music. The average rate per song is 2 cents. Money can be withdrawn to the Musicoin wallet. 10th, Playlist Push is a platform where you can earn money by creating playlists and recommending new music to other users. The average rate per playlist is between $5 and $15. You can withdraw money through PayPal. That's all, friends. You just learned about 10 sites where you can make money just by listening to music. Of course, you won't become a millionaire, but it's a great way to make extra money in your spare time. I hope this list will be useful for you, and you will find the right way to earn money for yourself. See you later.